Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to show you a little tour of my cart, my planner cart. So let's just go ahead and jump to it. Before I get started with everything, if you're new to my channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I do planner related videos and I upload twice a week, so I hope you will join our fam. Alright, so my cart is from Michael's. And I decided to pick the black one because I have a combination of black and white in my craft room office. Well, my office space. But yeah, I wanted to just go with colors that just went with each other. Although I really like pink, I figure this color, it's a color that it goes with everything. Alright. So in the top section, as you can tell, I have a lot of sticker books. These are all my sticker books from the Happy Planner. They're all right here. I hope my collection will grow a little more. And in here I have some of those small sticker pads as well. I have my pocket planner, my pocket ring planner. This is my on the go, but it's been here waiting for me to start working and write a lot of stuff in there. And in here I have these stickers, which I think they don't get enough love because I don't know why. We're all really into the sticker books, but these are really functional. But I keep them here because I don't want them to get lost in all the rest of the things that I have in this cart. I do have a lot of sticky notes and notepads, but I have them on a different side. Maybe I would just try to put them here, but for now this is working for me really well. I'm gonna try to set you guys up so you can see the second section. Alright, so in my second section I have mostly planner binders that are empty. I have my Polaroid, my very dusty Polaroid camera that I really love. I have my Cutie micro, and I have all of the micro covers that I've had. And I have this, which I really love. Let me show you guys, because I don't think I've shown you, but these come with the Simply Gilded. I love that subscription. If you haven't seen any of my unboxing videos, you should totally check them out because this came in one of the subscription. Thought it was really pretty. I have some of these pens that friends have gifted to me from Disney, and I have the color pens that I don't use that much, but I want to keep them. And in here I have more stickers, more sticker books. I have just planner binders, and I have my Color Crush planners right here. I just don't want to get rid of them. My used planners, let me just keep this here. My used Happy planners, I have them somewhere else. I just didn't have enough space for them here. I'm thinking that I might be getting another cart, or maybe one of those bigger carts. I don't know. We'll see when everything reopens. Now I'm gonna show you guys the bottom section. Alright, so the bottom section, I'm filming it one-handed, so bear with me. Confessions. This is actually the second time I filmed this video because the first time the angle wasn't liking it. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it was good enough, so I decided to film it again. So here in the bottom section I have a lot of miscellaneous stuff. I have these pen holder that I also got in my Simply Gilded. I like to keep it on my purse, but like I said, I haven't been working, so yeah. I have some inserts for a B6 planner. In here I keep my die cuts, the ones that I buy and the ones that I have cut in my silhouette. I have some of these cute baggies that I got also Simply Gilded. I have this B6, which I showed you all on one of my previous videos. I have been using it, but I have it here for the moment. This is a sticker album. This is another sticker album. This planner, well, it's not a planner, it's like a notebook, but I've been writing recipes in this one. I really been enjoying that lately. This is the planner that I will be using starting in, I think, July. I don't know, but it was my favorite from the new spring collection, and I have it here ready to go. This is not really a planner. In here I just have a whole bunch of filler paper just because I know that at some point I would try some of this planning. Well, let me, if I can, I will show you. Right, so I hope you can see, but in here I just have a lot of just paper, and I have some paper from the mom life that I don't know, maybe this layout I would want to use it again, the dashboard layout. I just have them together just in case I change my mind. And in here I have stickers. These sticker books, I made them when the whole everybody went crazy doing these, and I of course did them also, and then I just wanted to kind of see them and see what I had. But that it's pretty much, I'm gonna show you how everything looks like. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos like this one, let me know. Again, I hope I have my angle correct, but here is how everything looks like. That's the top section, the middle, and the bottom section. Yep, and there's the cable from my ring light right there. And all these stickers here, I got them little baggies. I got those, I think, Macy's with some makeup. I got this at Bath and Body Works, Michael's, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Nothing too fancy. I've been trying to minimize my space because I used to have a lot of planner stuff, you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will talk to you soon on my next one. Bye.